Did you know that marketing yourself doesn't have to feel like marketing at all? You don't have to sound like a walking commercial or try to convince people you're amazing. You just have to learn how to tell your story with clarity and let AI help you do it authentically. Hi, I'm Omani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, find the job you really want, and thrive in the AI era. Whether you're looking for a job, clients, or new opportunities, marketing is no longer optional. But here's the good news: AI can help you tell your story naturally, confidently, and strategically, so it never feels forced. Let's dive in. First, let's redefine what marketing actually means. Marketing yourself isn't bragging. It's simply communicating your value clearly to the right audience. That audience might be hiring managers, potential clients, recruiters, or collaborators. The truth is, people can't hire you if they can't find you. And they can't trust you if they don't understand you. Think of marketing like storytelling, not selling. Your goal is to tell the truth about who you are, what you do best, and how you make people's lives easier, faster, or better. So instead of saying, I'm the best at what I do, say, I help people save time, solve problems, or reach goals using my skills. That's value language, not ego language. And here's where AI comes in. AI doesn't replace your story, it helps you structure it. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy AI, and Notion AI can help you find the right tone, word choice, and story arc so you sound confident, not robotic. Let's start with your foundation, your personal brand message. Your brand isn't a logo, font, or website. It's the feeling people have when they interact with you. It's the sentence they say when they describe you to someone else. So here's your AI exercise. Open ChatGPT and type, help me define my personal brand. I'm your role or goal. I want to be known for your value. My ideal audience is your target. AI will generate your starting point. Then refine it. Make it human. Your final version should answer three things clearly. 1. Who you help. 2. How you help. 3. Why it matters. For example, I help job seekers use AI tools to build confidence and land remote roles faster without feeling overwhelmed. That's not salesy. That's service oriented. It tells people what you do and how it helps them. Now that you've built your brand foundation, let's talk about how AI helps you communicate and sound natural. Here are 5 tools that can make your self promotion effortless. Number 1, ChatGPT Gemini. Use it for storytelling and clarity. Ask it to rewrite my LinkedIn About section in a friendly, confident tone, or summarize my accomplishments for an interview introduction. You'll be amazed how it transforms stiff wording into conversational storytelling. Number 2, Grammarly or WordTune. These tools help you refine tone. They detect when your language sounds too formal or too aggressive and suggest softer, more natural phrasing. These are AI marketing assistants built for creators. They help you write posts, IOs, and personal summaries that attract attention while keeping your authentic voice. Number 4, Canva Magic Write plus Magic Presentation. Use this combo to create visual storytelling, like personal infographics, resume visuals, or quick portfolio decks. Visual marketing often speaks louder than long paragraphs. Number 5, HeyGen or videoassessment.org. Yes, you can use AI video tools to practice how you sound when introducing yourself. Record a short video pitch and watch how your confidence improves. The more you rehearse your voice, tone, and rhythm, the less salesy you'll ever sound. Every time you talk about yourself, online or offline, use this framework. Number one, the hook. Start with curiosity. Example, did you know 90% of jobs are filled through connections, not applications? Ace grabs attention without bragging. Number two, the problem. Name what people struggle with. Example, most professionals don't know how to communicate their value clearly. Number three, the solution. Show what you do to help. Example, I teach people how to use AI to simplify their career strategy. Number four, the transformation. Show the result. Example, my clients go from anxious and invisible to confident and visible in 30 days. That's your storytelling flow. And AI can help you structure it for any format: LinkedIn bio, resume summary, or 30-second elevator pitch. Here's the secret to visibility: don't promote yourself, share your process. People love authenticity, not perfection. AI can help you post consistently without feeling like a spam bot. Here's a 3-step system to do that. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to draft 3 short posts per week. Prompts like: write a post about what I learned from using AI to prepare for interviews. Write a post about one mistake job seekers make when writing resumes. Step 2. Use Canva or Opus Clip to turn your post into visuals or short videos. You can reuse the same script in multiple formats, like carousel slides, reels, or YouTube shorts. Step 3. Use Buffer or Metricool to schedule your posts automatically. That way, you're consistent without feeling chained to social media. And remember, every post isn't about selling, it's about connecting, educating, and building trust. If you're job hunting, marketing yourself isn't optional anymore. It's your superpower. AI can help you stand out without spamming recruiters. Try this strategy. 1. Use ChatGPT to create your brand story resume. Prompt: rewrite my resume summary in a storytelling format that highlights results and emotional impact. Use Notion AI to organize your career wins into categories: leadership, creativity, impact, and innovation. 3. Use Resi.ai or TealHQ to tailor each resume to job descriptions instantly. 4. Use ChatGPT to generate conversation hooks for interviews. Prompt: give me 3 stories that demonstrate communication, problem solving, and adaptability. Now you're not marketing with empty adjectives. Done. You're marketing with evidence. That's how professionals sell themselves without selling, by sharing proof instead of hype. Even if you're not a creator, you still need a place to showcase what you've done. You can use free AI tools to make this easy. Use Notion, Google Sites, or Wix to build a simple 1-page portfolio. Add your resume, project examples, testimonials, and video intro. Use ChatGPT to write your About Me in your real voice. Use DID or HeyGen to create a short 60-second video introduction. If you want to go further, connect your LinkedIn posts and AI-generated visuals into a social portfolio. Proof of your consistency and skill growth. That's the new resume. Your story, told visually and conversationally, powered by AI. Now, let's talk about the energy behind all this. You can't fake confidence, but you can build it through clarity. When you know your value, your words carry power, not pressure. AI helps you rehearse that. Use HeyGen or videoassessment.org to practice your elevator pitch. Say it 5 times, watch it back, refine it. Notice your tone, speed, and expression. You'll start sounding more confident and less robotic each time. Confidence is the invisible marketing strategy that attracts people before you even speak. Let's turn all this into a simple roadmap. Week 1. Define your personal brand message using ChatGPT. Craft your elevator pitch with STAR method clarity. Week 2. Use AI tools, Grammarly, Jasper, Copy AI, to polish your tone and messaging. Build your LinkedIn About section and headline. Week 3. Design 3 Canva visuals or short video intros using HeyGen. Start posting once per week. Share insights, not achievements. Week 4. Compile everything into a Notion or Wix portfolio. Record your first 60-second video pitch. Ask AI to critique your clarity, tone, and engagement. By the end of the month, you'll have more than content. You'll have confidence in context. That's what separates talkers from transformers. Let me leave you with this. AI may write your words, but you give them meaning. AI may optimize your strategy, but you bring the heart. Marketing in the AI era isn't about being louder. It's about being queer. So when you tell your story, don't try to impress people. Inspire them. Show them what's possible through your journey. Because the future doesn't belong to people who know how to sell. It belongs to people who know how to connect. If this video helped you rethink how to show up online, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who's job hunting or building their personal brand. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow we're diving into AI branding mastery for professionals, where I'll show you how to build a complete personal brand system using free AI tools. Until then, stay authentic, stay visible, and remember, you're not selling yourself. You're showcasing your story and letting AI help you shine.